Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the tools and binding controls so the auto clicker behaves predictably. Download and run a trusted clicker, then immediately set a toggle hotkey like F6. This lets you start and stop without tabbing out. Set the click interval to around 0, 1 to 0, 2 seconds for rapid normal attacks, and position your mouse on the in-game attack or ability button. Once done, test briefly on a harmless NPC to confirm focus and timing before moving into combat. Now you configure the auto clicker for effective combat use so it complements your playstyle. Select left click for repeated normal attacks or right click if a hold action works better for a skill. Set click duration to 1 to 10 milliseconds for crisp inputs. Add small randomization of 5 to 15% to intervals to reduce detection risk, and pair the clicker with short movement or dodge macros on separate keys so you retain mobility. Make sure to run 1 or 2 full combos against local mobs to adjust timing. Finish by refining safety and handling common problems so your setup stays functional. Use the toggle key to stop immediately if a server or admin action appears. Avoid auto-clicking in protected or contested areas to reduce account risk. If clicks lag or don't register, make sure the game window has focus, close overlays, and consider running the clicker as administrator. Adjust the interval slightly to regain responsiveness. If you encounter detection or bans, stop, vary patterns, and prioritize manual play to protect your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.